Aaron here from the Partner Success Team. We are so excited to announce the addition of an entirely new course in the Learning Center, OnScale Solve Simulation Fundamentals. As you can tell, this is a collaboration between OnScale and us, and hopefully the first of many partner-supplied training courses to help ensure your success with these products. It's taught by Cyprian Rusu, Director of Engineering Asia at OnScale, and a semi-famous blogger, at least to us analysis geeks. This course is made up of 4 sections, 11 lessons, 2 exercises, and over 2 hours of video and hands-on content to help you get up and running in this powerful analysis tool. The 4 sections include an introduction to FEA and the assumptions that you need to consider before starting. Next is a full walkthrough on how to set up a simulation study in OnScale. An entire section is rightly devoted to that all-important step of post-processing results, before bringing it all home with 2 exercises. 1 linear static study of a bicycle frame, and a thermal simulation of a PCB. When you complete the course, you'll receive your very own certificate of completion, but more importantly, you'll have the know-how to improve your next design with the guidance of multi-physics analysis. Thanks for watching. Cheers.